Hello friends, welcome to my channel Empower. This question is about trigger. So what is trigger? And they have given four options here. Trigger is like statement that enables to start any DB. They have given the B option, statement that is executed by the user when debugging an application program. The condition that the system tests for validity of the database user. And the last option is statement that is executed automatically by the system as a side effect of a modification to the DB. So the D is the correct option. You know what is the triggering? Triggering is actually a process when something occur in database, like you have inserted a data, you have deleted a data. This trigger option will automatically occur. Like if there are two table and one foreign key is reference to another table, and if you deleted the primary key from that main table, that thing will automatically reflected where the foreign key is referenced. So this is integrity. So for every database there are five integrity constants. The database will manage automatically. So triggering is that option when a database automatically do all these things to ensure the integrity. So this is called triggering. So for this question the last option is the correct option. Statement that is executed automatically by the system as a side effect of a modification to the DB. Okay, thank you. If you have any confusion, please let me know in the comment section, and if you like this video, please subscribe with your friends. Thank you.